Tēnā tātou te whānau, it's your boy Stan, and in celebration of Family Tree coming out on Moana Voices across the Pacific, I've got an opportunity for not just you, but for me. I wrote this song with a few friends, and it's about the legacy of our whānau, of where we come from and who we come from, and the importance of instilling that into the next generation. And now, I want to hear you sing it. I want to hear the next generation sing it. If you want to sing live on stage with me at one of my shows in Tāmaki Makaurau or Tautahi Christchurch, and my symphonic experience, this is the opportunity for you. All you got to do is get your classmates, your choir, your kapa haka roku, 5 people to 20 people being the max, and you just got to record the song however you want to interpret it. You can do it on guitar, piano, the whole band, whatever, a cappella. But I want you to be a part of this, and if you want an opportunity to be on stage with me, all you got to do is record that, upload it to Facebook, TikTok or Instagram. You got to tag me in it, and then put hashtag Family Tree and hashtag stanwalker symphonic experience. And I want to see all your videos, and maybe we will be performing live together. And we're choosing 2 schools, 1 school from the North Island and 1 from the South Island. So get in there, get your kuru involved. I'd love to see you. Can't wait.